I bought this for some welder repairs around the house and garden and it has worked great. It can work with 2.5 mm and 3.2 mm electrodes very easily. It's excellent to perform most welding jobs. Amp gauge kinda iffy, BYT. After some welds you will know what amperage suits which situation for this welder. For example, if I am using 120 amps at 220 V, I will have to turn it up to 150 amps at 110 V. Never had one single issue with it. I trust this welder will serve well as long as you respect the dute. Penetration. I used Lincoln E60113 2 mm welding rods and it worked fine. Smiley face. At 120 volts. This welder can last for 10 years plus, just you have to keep it safe from dust and moisture. Just clean the welder by blowing air with a vacuum every once a month. That will prevent dust and moisture to create resistance between components. Components used are of good quality, which includes rectifier and electrolytic capacitors. There is no welding leads provided in this welder, but I used welding leads from other welder I had. Apparently not a bad welding quality for under $200 welder. Thought I got this for my stepdad who does work around his home quite a bit, some of which requires welding. I wanted to see how it worked myself. Now, I am not the most mechanical person on my family, but with the right instructions I can figure things out and mostly get the job done. This welder was not the easiest for me to operate as a first-timer, and for that I give it 4 stars. Click link in description for more reviews. Please click the link below for more information. Please subscribe to my channel for more great products. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel.